Only thing it gotta be 5'7" if you messing with your king. Look at that thing clean. Armor all down. Spraying this shit all out of that car.
Nice and shiny. Shine, baby.
I don't know, y'all. We might be getting another one. Crowd might be getting traded. We don't know. Slider window. Back seat cup holder.
This got a camera on it.
Towing package.
Yep.
Close it back up. You know how it's, y'all. 4x4.
Yeah.
View camera. Wheels is alright.
Some.
I just got another vehicle. The best people in the world.
Thank you guys. Y'all made this process so easier than the first time.
Good. I'm glad.
See, she did it again. Oh, Stunto Fox, so you see it.
You see it.
I wasn't expecting this, y'all, but like I said, sometimes I'm always grateful, man. It's like always.
This is gonna pay off.
Big time, tremendous.
Yeah.
Growl. We're gonna have to. We're gonna call vicious now. We left the growl alone there.
I'm gonna say call it sexy chocolate.
Chocolate draw. But we here at the Napoleon Dodge dealer. I have met 3 great people. There was no hassle. I was not even expecting it. I was not trying to do this today. But sometimes in life you can't refuse when God look out for you, when good people in the atmosphere. With everything that's taking place, with the death and everything yesterday,
Yeah.
we're gonna make it, you know. I don't wanna get too emotional, but stay tuned. Oh, you see it.
You'll see it. I put my ponytail through the sunroof. Ugh.
Look at gorgeous new car. You see her, and she got a stick.
Oh, there you go. I can let that down.
Come back him up. Welcome to the Mob Squad. Classic, man. Oh yeah, that's how we do that.
Oh, yeah, it was gonna be even better.
Yeah, I like that.
Welcome to the mob. You're officially coming home with us. That's beautiful. So we in a brand new Ram, and we out here, man. And I wasn't expecting me riding this clean now. You know, I'm a slow, grateful person, man, but this is it. We long term, baby. Stunto Fox is official. Oh, you see it. Oh, you see what we doing around here now. Miles is only 19,598. 535. Let's get it now. I got gorgeous in the background on my little baby. You see it, she see it.
Catfish nuggets.
Nuggets, I'm talking about. We doing.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
laid.
Keep those in it for me. I like to pick them out.
I don't care no damn. New growl. You know, growl. Growl, so what's up for a while? Yeah. LEDs. Come on around, squad. So 2019 Ram, we're gonna put the sideboards on, the run boards. Then we'll be doing upgrading the lights from this one, which is the same year. So today is the day we're gonna be pulling 5.7 with the 3.6. Change the wheels out. Oh, it's time to go. Oh, you see it. Oh, you see it.
Perfect. I got plenty of freaking straps. So that, and I just welded all new freaking hold downs on it.
Oh yeah. First they're working his ram now. Oh, you see it? Oh, you see it? Yeah. First time pulling something big like this. We're gonna take the 3.6 to pull the 5.7. Even though we don't have no problem, but it's the first time.
Right.
And we're going up a big hill too.
It's pulling this trailer. A-okay.
Like it's not even on the back of it. So stay tuned. We got a winch and hinch. It's time to work.
Nice. This is good. I like shit like this.
That's what I like.
Right, like look at that house right now. Y'all see that?
Oh, this is not the main road. Not yet.
Look how that motherfucker pulling. I'm just amazed. It don't feel like we got nothing on that motherfucker. We came this way. Okay, y'all, so we back at the house. Poppy is cleaning out the back.
Oh yeah, you see it.
I'm sweeping, getting the leaves out of there. He cleaned the inside already. You know? Gonna give it a nice wash.
Last wash. We're going to pull and load up in a second. What you think you make it up it? We're working. To the left. Straight. That's too high up on there. We got no clearance. So we're just gonna strap him down and remove some things. All right, we 5 straps in. We're gonna roll.
Ho! Keep going. Good? Y'all, we towing.
We move. No problem. Baby right here, man.
Yeah,
New beginnings, man. That's all.
that's right.
New beginnings. Like I said, I'm still ungrateful, man. I'm just still grateful, man. That's all I'm saying every day, man.
We here, y'all.
So this is a man for all too. He changed our life, and he changed a lot, for real, for real.
For real,
More
for
than
real.
just change the vehicles, he changed our life.
Glad to help.
If you're looking for a car, come on down to the Dodge in Dallas, Georgia.
Come and see Frank, and I'll give you a good deal.
Uh-huh.
And we'll help you out.
That deal you can't refuse. Call unrefusable deals.
Want me to hop in the car?
All right, let your foot off and straighten it up. Foot straight off. All the way off, all the way off.
Right there.
Perfect.
So, does it start? I mean,
Yeah, crank it.
Starts the crank. Okay. So now.
Finally done. Strapped off. We also go. We'll be coming out.
We're
We
leaving.
out.
We out.
And guess what Growl did? He didn't want to leave me.
Y'all, he tried to put a better effort, y'all. He tried
Crank
to
with
stay
no
on.
fucking problem.
And try to put in drive and go. He went forward. He went forward. Like,
Can you believe it?
he was trying to say, no, I'm not trying to leave you guys. Why? Why?
Take you to the doctor.
Oh, I see the better chocolate one. You always gotta trade me for the chocolate. What is it? I'm too black. no, for real. Don't take that as serious. But no, like we miss Growl. We love Growl. We just had to upgrade, you guys. We had to downgrade, but it's an upgrade.
Cause we can't get back to work saying you see it when we ain't going nowhere.
Right? Cause
You see
guess what?
nothing.
You see it.
Oh, you do.
You see it.
Oh, we off on good time, y'all.
You see it.
Time to go to the big house and do this paperwork. You had God put you through trials and tribulations to get you to elevation. Oh, you see it. Stay tuned. I'm going up. All right. Ready to get out of here. Dang.
It's starting right hard, huh? Oh, nice.